Hello, today I would like to show the functionality of Push Express, a tool that simplifies the integration of push notification components in a web project. It allows to quickly add notification components and services using TypeScript or JavaScript. As you can see, um, we start with an application from scratch in which is type push npx push express add notification. After running the command, we choose the options and we can check in our application the components and services. Push notification component is our component that we are going to using in this application. We just replace with the push notification component, import and remove the useless imports. Right now, running the application, it is working on localhost 3000. We just need to fill in out these inputs with our information, the recipient of the notification, and send the notification. We can check the process it was successfully and review our push notification example channel. Here is our notification.